Alright, so this is what I'm working with. Real thin tin metal, steel. It's metal, I don't remember the size, but I know you can bend it by hand, that's what makes it nice. So basically, I just got some cutters like these. You can cut it fairly simple. And then what you get, something like that, kind of bent up, it doesn't matter. You can smash that down. Sorry if the camera's moving around. Just get it flat. Then you're left with a flat piece. I've got two here. Just gonna stick them together. These magnets are really awesome. This is what I used. You can hold them together pretty flush. And then just put your nozzle to it and then just lean into it with a quick okay, that didn't work. Let's try this again. Might have to move my ground to here. Just real quick, just lean into them, and then you're left with a nice quick tack. So all the way through, nice and strong. Just grind that down and it'll look real nice. And then if you have a piece that you say you want to overlay onto one of them, you can drill a hole in it and then set it where you want it. Okay, and then same concept, just try to go through that center hole. Just put your tip on it, don't touch the wire to it, and then just lean into it when you push that trigger. Just a real quick 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I got a piece tacked on. You can see that penetration right there. And now you got a piece that if you want to bend, it's kind of hot, but you can bend up to the way you want it, you know. Well, that's how I do it. It's the easiest way I found. Just grind this off, clean that off, you know, but it's solid, you know. Yeah, so how about it, guys? I've tried TIG, I've tried everything else, man, and this is the easiest, simplest, cheapest way that I've found to do it. Right on.